everybody. We're well on our way into 2025. It is so hard to believe. This is a popular time of year to press the reset button, but I know it's common for people's resolutions and goals to go by the wayside. To help keep you inspired, I've opened one of my most popular healthy living courses, Dr. Ann's 3-Step Solution, where I cover the top 3 strategies I know can transform your life if you adopt them now. I'm presenting this course as a New Year's challenge to help you hold yourself accountable. As soon as you enroll, you'll get a printable sheet to keep handy and mark the days you stick to your goals. We'll cover the critical topics of time-restricted eating, the healthiest ways to eat and why, and the top ways to nourish your gut microbiome. As a bonus, I'll talk about the benefits of reducing or eliminating alcohol to help you boost energy levels and improve the quality of your sleep. If you're looking for accountability, practical strategies, and the motivation and inspiration to make it a reality, enroll now to get started right away. The program comes along with 5 inspirational Q&A sessions with yours truly. So all of your questions will be answered and I will always be motivating you. Click the link in your email to join.